Introduction: Datahaven, data warehouse for the future, reliable, safely, uncensored, works with Web 2, Web 3, AI, and tokens. Built on eigenlayer technology, your data is always accessible and protected. Verifiability, anti-hacking, and easy integration. Datahaven, when the usual storage is no longer enough. Datahaven ensures that Datahaven provides a solid foundation for the next wave of digital transformation. Deployed as an autonomous verifiable service AVS with the protection of the eigenlayer restaking protocol. Always available, protected from unauthorized access and censorship, verifiable and unchangeable, we are ready to integrate with our Web3 and tokenized assets. Tamper-proof, protected by cryptographic proofs that guarantee integrity. Verifiable, allowing AI-generated models and logs to remain auditable and accountable. Censorship-resistant, ensuring no single entity controls access. AI-optimized, designed for federated learning, AI agents, and machine learning workloads. Why Datahaven? Blockchains are well suited for storing verifiable data, but they do not cope well with large volumes. All data is copied to each node, and this is inconvenient. This is why developers use external storage, but they are often centralized and less reliable. Projects like Filecoin and Arweave offer decentralized storage, but they operate separately from popular blockchains such as Ethereum. This complicates the work of developers and worsens the user experience. Datahaven solves this problem. This is a special data storage blockchain embedded in the Ethereum ecosystem and protected by the eigenlayer protocol. Thanks to this, Datahaven is as secure and reliable as the Ethereum network itself. In addition, Datahaven has a built-in bridge that facilitates access and integration with Ethereum applications and second-tier networks. Datahaven is the first decentralized storage that works directly with Ethereum, providing security, convenience and compatibility without unnecessary difficulties. Core technology and platform architecture. Datahaven is a decentralized blockchain-based storage with proof of stake and eigenlayer protection. In the network, data providers store information, and the blockchain monitors and verifies it. It is built on Substrate, a platform for fast and flexible blockchains, compatible with other networks. Datahaven provides an unshakable foundation for the next wave of digital transformation. Integration with Ethereum. Datahaven is fully compatible with Ethereum and supports popular wallets. It directly connects smart contracts with data, making work faster and more convenient. Applications can store large files, manage access, and verify data. For example, NFTs can store and protect their digital assets. Datahaven is also suitable for collaboration with important documents, for example, for managing real assets. Security is provided by the eigenlayer and Ethereum protocol, which provides reliable protection and supports work with different blockchains. Additional features: compatibility. Datahaven works with Ethereum and Moonbeam and is able to securely exchange data with other blockchains. Convenience. There are functions that make transactions easier and cheaper. For example, paying for gas is not always necessary. Management. The community can change settings and update the network without complicated processes. Legal requests are handled in such a way as to maintain decentralization and comply with the laws. Economic model. Datahaven has its own token, which is needed for the network to work. Network protection. The token can be given to operators to help protect the network and receive rewards for it. Payment. The token is needed to pay fees for transactions and actions on the network. Part of the commission goes to the operators, part goes to the treasury, and part is destroyed. Storage fees and motivation. They pay for storage and operation with Datahaven tokens. The price will be clear and stable. The operators keep the deposit in tokens. If the data is lost, the deposit will be taken away. This is how the data is saved. Management. Token holders vote for important decisions on the network. The more tokens there are and the longer they are blocked, the more votes there are. You can give your vote to another person. Platform components. Datahaven is a first-level blockchain built on the Substrate framework. It provides more flexibility and customization than conventional smart contracts, which is important for working with data storage. The network is configured to be fully compatible with Ethereum, support decentralized storage, and use protection through EigenLayer, that is, to be part of the overall security of Ethereum. The Datahaven runtime environment, it supports multi-signatures, proxy accounts, deferred and batch transactions, all for the convenience of working with the network. Consensus blocks are created every 6 seconds using Bayeband finalized via Grandpa. Security is provided by validators from EigenLayer. Native bridge with Ethereum. The built-in bridge directly connects Datahaven to Ethereum without third-party trust. Uses Beefy and Snowbridge for secure data and token transfer. Cross-chain interaction. The network supports messaging with other blockchains. Improved Polkadot modules and proprietary developments are used. Integration with EigenLayer. Datahaven receives validators and sends them rewards via a bridge with Ethereum. All this happens automatically and safely. Datahaven will provide Ethereum compatibility by integrating core features from Moonbeam, including compatibility with Ethereum. Datahaven supports Ethereum smart contracts without modification. The same accounts and commissions are used as in Moonbeam. The main network functions are available within contracts. All of this is already working successfully on Moonbeam. Working with tokens. The network accepts tokens from Ethereum via an integrated bridge, for example, ERC20. You can also use your own tokens compatible with Ethereum. EVM compatibility. Datahaven uses frontier technology, just like Moonbeam, where hundreds of applications and millions of transactions are already successfully running. This ensures high compatibility with Ethereum smart contracts. Token support. The network supports tokens from Ethereum transferred over a native bridge, for example, wrapped with ETH or ERC20. They will work with any smart contracts in Datahaven. It is also possible to support native Datahaven tokens in the ERC20 format. Future outlook. Application-centric features, different data access models and MSP templates focused on AI, RWA, payments, etc., advanced permissions and authorization schemes. Host-side cryptography, data retention schemes. GDPR and privacy-compliant policies for nodes. Performance improvements, mass file operations, batch processing. Systems optimization for data availability, migration paths.